Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is a traditional flow-style dynamic Hatha Yoga practice founded by Sri Pattabhi Jois in the 20th century. Guruji, Pattabhi Jois is known as Guruji, and he is one of the greatest yoga teachers who lived in the 20th century. He passed away from this world in 2009 at the age 93. In Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga tradition, there are 6 different series known as primary series, intermediate series, and advanced series A, B, C, D. Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is designed and meant to be practiced in a gradual progression. So we begin from practicing the primary series. And this primary series is also known as Yoga Chikitsa. Chikitsa means therapy. So primary series is known as Yoga therapy. This primary series is designed to open the entire body in a very practical way, especially the main focus on opening of the hamstrings, the back of the legs, and the hips. So we can finally sit at the end of the sequence in meditation, Padmasana, with ease, effortlessness. And before reaching into this meditation phase at the end of the sequence, we are going through the rounds of Salutations, Surya Namaskara, standing postures, seated sequences, some backbends to open the heart, then ends with the inverted postures to let the energy flow from the top of the feet to the from the feet to the crown of the head as shoulder stand, head stand, and so on. So primary series is a very holistic practice, physically, energetically, and spiritually. In the process of practicing, we are cleansing and purifying the knots in our physical body, and especially in our energetic body and the mental body. Yoga tradition sees that what we see in this earth 5-element reality, especially the earth element, what we see as a form is just a reflection of how the energies are flowing to. So if we have a tightness in our legs, or if we have a tightness in the chest, then that would be the result of having some knots or some tensions or some contracted energy in that part of the body. So through practicing different postures, asanas, in this primary series, these sequences are designed to clear the knots of our mental body, energetic body, and as a result, we become stronger. As a result, we become more flexible as the knots start to open up and start to breathe in more freedom and from the expansive space. For this reason of having a really huge impact of cleansing, purifying of our system, primary series of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is known as Yoga therapy, Yoga Chikitsa. So let us practice from today as the Patanjali Sutra says in Sutra number 1, Atah Yoganushasanam. The practice of yoga begins now. See you on the yoga mat.